The 2019-2024 Cadillac XT4 does not come with a traditional spare tire in any trim level. Instead, it's equipped with a tire inflation kit, like the Goodyear tire inflator kit stored in the rear cargo area. This design saves weight and space, reducing vehicle curb weight by up to 50 pounds compared to traditional spares. This is a common trend in modern vehicles, with over 70% of new SUVs incorporating inflation kits. The jack, lug wrench, and tire inflation kit are stored in a compartment under the cargo floor mat in the rear trunk area. To access them, lift the mat and use your vehicle's key or fob to unlock the compartment. First, park on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake to ensure the vehicle stays secure during the process. Next, retrieve the jack and tools from the storage compartment in the rear trunk area. Then, slightly loosen the lug nuts using the lug wrench, turning them counterclockwise. Do not remove them yet. Now, position the jack at one of the designated jacking points on the frame marked on the vehicle. Carefully lift the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Remove the flat tire by fully unscrewing the lug nuts and pulling the tire off the wheel hub. If using the inflation kit, connect it to the tire valve on the spare or repaired tire and inflate to 30 psi. Then reinstall the tire onto the wheel hub and hand tighten the lug nuts. Finally, lower the vehicle using the jack, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even torque. Store the tools and test drive safely. The Cadillac XT4 comes equipped with a tire inflation kit instead of a traditional spare tire. This kit includes three main components: a compressor, sealant, and hose. The kit is designed for temporary repairs of tire punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter. The sealant fills the puncture while the compressor inflates the tire to 30 psi. After using the kit, you can drive up to 50 miles at speeds below 50 miles per hour to reach a service center for permanent repair. Always consult your owner's manual for specific diagrams and instructions before attempting to change a tire. Wear gloves during the tire changing process to protect your hands from dirt, oil, and potential injury. While not standard equipment, use wheel chocks for added safety to prevent the vehicle from rolling during the tire change. Avoid changing tires on busy highways. Find a safe, level location away from traffic. If your XT4 is equipped with run-flat tires, they allow limited driving after a puncture to reach a safe location. Inflation kits are effective for only 60 to 70% of flats, according to NHTSA data. While useful for many situations, they don't work in all cases. The sealant in the kit expires after 5 to 7 years, so it's important to check the expiration date regularly to ensure it will work when needed. The kit won't work for sidewall punctures or large tears, where the tire must be replaced rather than repaired. For large tears or sidewall damage, the kit isn't sufficient. In these cases, be prepared to call for roadside assistance or professional help. Experts from organizations like AAA and Edmunds often recommend carrying a full-size spare tire, even though the XT4 comes with an inflation kit. This provides more reliability for various flat tire situations. Consider purchasing a portable air compressor as a backup option. This is especially important if you live in areas with extreme cold temperatures, where the factory inflation kit may not work reliably below freezing. These upgrades can provide peace of mind and ensure you're prepared for any tire emergency on your Cadillac XT4. The automotive industry is evolving towards more integrated technology for tire repair. Future Cadillacs may include augmented reality apps that guide drivers through tire changes with step-by-step visual instructions. Smart tires equipped with sensors could detect punctures early and notify drivers before a full flat occurs, preventing breakdowns and improving safety. Expect a continued shift away from traditional spare tires towards repair kits and run-flat tires. These technologies prioritize efficiency, reducing vehicle weight and space requirements, while providing reliable temporary solutions.